couple weeks ago, we would have thought that this time summer is long behind us.
Yeah.
But your forecast is showing us that summer is still hanging on.
Here.
You know, some of the hottest temperatures we have seen so far this summer could potentially be within the next few days.
Wow.
Yeah, so definitely feeling the summer sizzle, and make sure all of those plants, or maybe the Swan Island dahlias, are freshly watered because they are going to need a good drink. Boy, isn't that a beautiful picture out there in the Canby area. As we currently sit about 75 degrees right now, plenty of sunshine, so a lot of those blooms and blossoms soaking up the summer sun as our sunset dips below the horizon this evening at 7:43. Out towards the Stoller family estate, that's where we expect to also hold on to those clear skies for the remainder of this evening as those temperatures slide back into the low 60s. That's going to be after the midnight hour or so, and then we really start to skyrocket as far as the temperature goes by the mid-morning hours and eventually into the afternoon. As all is calm, quiet, and clear, we got a nice northerly breeze right now, anywhere from about 3 to 6 miles per hour, as the National Weather Service is preparing us for high heat, potentially dangerous heat, with excessive heat warnings in effect for the Willamette Valley, a heat advisory for the Coast Range and for parts of our coastal communities, as heat-related illnesses are at a greater chance. And this is all due to a ridge of high pressure building and dominating the western half of the country's forecast. That's going to be sitting overhead not only for Thursday, but into Friday and lingering into Saturday. So in total, it's going to be about 4 days as we feel the heat start to build as early as tomorrow afternoon. Now, we are in no short supply of the excessive heat so far this summer season. Here's just a bit of a snapshot of what we've seen. In Portland, 21 days in the 90s, 26 days for Salem, so slightly on the hotter side, and Salem has already seen 6 days in the triple-digit zone, whereas Portland has been slightly cooler and has only gotten away with 3. But we could be adding tally marks to that across the board as we get back up into the 90s for Wednesday. Look out Thursday, 101, that expected high, likely going to be breaking or tying the record of 1944, where we hit 101, likely surpassing the record as well on Friday, before finally we get a break from the excessive heat as we work our way into the tail end of the weekend and eventually into next week. But these could potentially be battling against some of September's hottest temperatures we have ever seen. That's where 101, again set back in 1944, could potentially be tied with 2024 if everything comes to fruition. But it's not only those daytime highs, it's the overnight lows that will be struggling to cool off. Upper 60s for Thursday into Friday morning. That's where we could potentially break some records as far as the warmest early morning lows, well above the average of 57. But overall, we could potentially squash some of those temperatures if we get enough wildfire smoke to move its way back into the Willamette Valley. So likely going to be seeing some hazy skies as we move into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It would be ideal to keep those temperatures cooler, but it would be reducing our air quality as well. Tonight here in the city, expecting to keep everything clear and smoke-free as we fall back to about 58 degrees come sunrise. And for tomorrow afternoon, 95. So the summer heat, it starts to build as early as the mid-morning hours tomorrow. And that's why we've gone ahead for Thursday and Friday to highlight those 2 days in red. KOIN 6 weather alert days as the potentially dangerous high heat once again returns. That's going to be mixed in with that wildfire smoke as those easterly winds start to pick up. That too increases the wildfire potential. So it's kind of the perfect storm for creating a less than ideal situation for all of us here across the Pacific Northwest. You got the haze, you got the heat, and the fire danger, so we all need to stay weather aware.
Okay, we're 75 right now. Hard to believe at this time tomorrow night we'll be 20 degrees hotter.
20 degrees hotter.
Wow.
It's going to be pretty impressive.
Thanks, Josh.
Yep.